What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new zinc and silver exploration stage mining company called Blue Moon Mining Corporation. Blue Moon Mining Corporation has an advanced zinc and silver deposit in the western USA, and we're going to be talking all about zinc and silver in this video, taking a look at the stock performance as well as going into their investor presentation and some exciting new news for the company. So I'm excited to bring this company to you guys. It's the first time we've talked about it here on Departures Capital, and I love talking about new companies, so let's get straight into it. The last thing I wanted to say was this video is sponsored by Blue Moon Mining Corporation. Check down below in the description for full disclosure details. And last but not least, if you do support me on the channel and all the videos, then kindly smash that like button. It helps my videos so very much, along with if you are a new viewer, you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you appreciate new companies just like this one, interviews, and all the other videos that we make here at Departures Capital. Don't forget to cash that subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. And let's get straight into this interesting overview on this new company. So first, let's take a look and see how the stock has traded over the last little while. And it is a small cap company at just $7.77 million market cap, currently trading on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol MOON, or MOON. It has a 52-week range of 1 cent to 8 cents, so we are just 1.5 cents off of our 52-week highs. But the stock's been doing really great as of recently. Now let's dive into their website. I want to go over a couple of things, talk about their projects, talk about their really exciting news, and then we'll go into their investor presentation. So you can check out their website at bluemoonmining.com, focused on the advanced stage 100% owned Blue Moon Zinc project. Now, I did want to talk about their recent press release, which was very significant. So this is as of December 2nd. Blue Moon Zinc Corp announces it has regained 100% ownership in the Blue Moon Zinc-Silver project in the western United States. This former joint venture partner, Platina Resources Limited, successfully drilled the BMZ-79 and BMZ-80 holes in late 2018, which greatly enhanced the project and further expanded the high-grade mineralization. So we'll talk all about that. Further details on the drill results can be found in the company's press release dated January 24th, 2020 and February 3rd. Platina was not able to fulfill the initial earn-in requirement of the joint venture agreement to drill 10,000 meters within the prescribed time frame. As a result, the company retains a 100% interest in the Blue Moon project. We wish to thank Platina for funding and executing a successful drill program and advancing the Blue Moon project. The results of the BMZ-79 and 80 increase our confidence in the Blue Moon project and our renewed commitment to drill and develop the asset ourselves in 2021. The value of the project has also been enhanced by the recent increase in price for zinc, copper, gold, and silver. So you guys know I'm a commodity bullish on both base and precious metals, so we will be talking about that in this video. Now, in terms of the projects, the company is focused on its 100% owned advanced stage Blue Moon Zinc-Silver project and the Yava project. The Blue Moon project is subject to an NI 43-101 mineral resource estimate with approximately 7.8 million tons with a grade of 8.07% zinc equivalent for approximately 771 million pounds of zinc, 71 million pounds of copper, 300,000 ounces of gold, and 10 million ounces of silver in the inferred category. The resource is open at depth and along strike and has favorable metallurgy. A report detailing the resource is available here, so you can click on that and read that for yourself, and was filed on SEDAR on November 20th, 2018. The Yava project is a polymetallic deposit in Nunavut that is on strike to Glencore's Hackett River deposit. So take a look at the recent news, guys. The company did do some financing. All that stuff is behind them. They closed the $300,000 financing, closed shares for debt transaction. Now it's an exciting time because as we move into 2021, they will start to do work on that project now that they have 100% interest. So let's dive into their investor presentation, see what the company is all about. So Blue Moon Mining Corporation, advanced zinc-silver deposit in western USA. So their investment highlights, and as we talked about, their NI 43-101 report inferred 7.8 million tons at 8%, just over 8% zinc. It also includes 771 million pounds of zinc, 71 million pounds of copper, 300,000 ounces of gold, and 10 million ounces of silver. Deposit is open to the south and extension opportunities in the west, main, and east zones. VMS occurs in multiples. Excellent potential to increase resource along strike surface and at depth. Low risk execution and key value drivers in the near term. So this is very important as well. 2008 drilling included 30 feet of 30% zinc, 1.7% copper, 1.67 grams per ton gold, and 71 grams per ton silver. 2019 drilling included 25 feet of 25.6% zinc, 0.9% copper, 0.68 grams per ton gold, and 17 grams per ton silver. They regained 100% ownership in late 2020, so that's very important. Future drill program to further build on the high-grade footprint of the deposit and expansion. Reviewing work program on the Yava polymetallic project in Nunavut. And then last but not least, we should talk about management. So they retained key environmental engineering consultants that permitted multiple mines. Officers and directors own 20% of the company, so very significant skin in the game. Minimal G&A with no debt. So let's talk a little bit about zinc, because, I feel like it's one mineral that doesn't get enough love, but it is also very important. So zinc is a very industrial metal with little supply room for new application demands such as zinc air batteries. Supply concentrate by majors and top 3 countries with 50% of production, China, Peru, and India. Supply deficit could arrive as early as 2022. So what is the application for zinc? Galvanizing, alloys, brass, bronze, semi-manufacture, chemical, and miscellaneous. Galvanizing, 50% of the use for zinc. That's a protective layer for steel. That's what galvanization is. Automobile, construction bridges, derrick rigs. Zinc alloys, combining aluminum and copper, increases hardness and intensity. Photographic plates, die casting, covering roof, paint, rubber, plastic, ink, and surface protection. Zinc batteries, coins, copper, aluminum, iron, all part of the industrial metals. So management has experience from Sprott Global Investments, BHP Billiton, Western Copper and Gold. So that's very important. So here we are, guys, in 2020. Supply looking to drop off and demand should stay steady. According to tech and other industry forecasts, additional sources of zinc will be required for new applications if new applications were to be introduced to markets such as energy storage. Additional North American sources would also be strategic, as currently 50% plus of zinc is sourced internationally, as we can see by those top 3 producers, not America. 2 favorable locations, Blue Moon and Yava, located in Mariposa County, Central California, and Nunavut, Canada. Active mines and exploration projects in the county within area of California Gold Rush, 4-hour drive to Reno, 3-hour drive to Oakland Port. So in terms of their project, let's talk about the local infrastructure. So accessible by a 3-mile gravel road off nearby paved highway. A hydroelectric power generation facility 1 mile north. The main transmission line passes less than a mile away. Elevations on the property range from 1,000 to 1,600 feet above sea level. Mineral rights on patented, unpatented, and Spanish land grants. Seaports, rail, and trucking routes are all accessible. Port near Oakland. Labor and contractors are readily available from population centers in the Central Valley. So here they highlight their 2018-2019 drill program. Check that out. Check out the investor presentation if you are interested in that. I always encourage you guys to do your own research and due diligence. Here we have their resource estimate, the NI 43-101. Very important to take a look at that. And now I wanted to talk about the catalyst. So financing of $300,000, that's been completed. JV update on Blue Moon. 100% of the project reverted back to Blue Moon. So that's good. Now what's next? Exploration updates on Blue Moon. We should see that in Q1 to Q2 of 2021. And then financing of $1.2 million at the later part of Q1 of 2021 to Q2. Then once the company gets the financing, they should start drilling roughly at Q2 of 2021 to Q3 of 2021. Resource calculation update, that should arrive sometime around Q3, and then evaluate Yava's polymetallic project in Nunavut near Glencore's 50 million Hackett River, Sabina gold and silver. And that should start in Q2 of 2021 till the end of the year. So lots on the horizon. They're financing, starting a drill program. Should be pretty exciting. And then last but not least, a little bit of information about California, active in resource development. So Equinox Gold is in the area, been producing since 2008. Produced more than 1 million ounces from 92 to 2004. Core mining, $273 million US, technically simple. Shallow open pit heap leach with nearby infrastructure. Here we have the share structure, guys. Management owns 20%, HNW Retail owns 20%, general investors own 60%, shares issued 119.6 million shares. And then one final comparable, guys. So the zinc deposit grade percentage, and these are equivalents, these are comparable companies. And here we are just under 10%. Meanwhile, the company valuation sitting well under $10 million. So Moon Project is well in line with peer group, yet market cap is a fraction of its peers, favorable jurisdiction and infrastructure versus their peers. So that's my introduction for the company. Take a look at the company, do your research really on what they have in the ground. Do your research on zinc as a mineral. It's interesting to learn about this stuff, and it's all part of doing your own research and due diligence before investing in these companies. This company, in my opinion, does look pretty undervalued, guys, so keep this one on your watch list. Hopefully we can get their CEO on the channel talking about the company, but that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.